Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to update the Snapchat application to the latest version. So if you want to update the app, then you need to follow these steps. Before we actually move on, make sure that you have or you're connected to an internet service. Now, basically what you need to understand is, depending on the device that you're using, now let's say you're using an Android or an iOS device, so you have to make sure to connect it to an internet service, but there is a slight difference in Snapchat or using an iPhone as well as to your Android device. Now for Android, you need to visit Play Store. All you need to do is just open up your Play Store and on the search bar type in Snapchat, and there you could find this update button. And similarly for iPhone, you have to go to your App Store, do the same thing, type in Snapchat on the search bar, and then upload or offload the app. This is the way you could update the app to the latest version. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.